Good morning, my friends, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today is a very special day. I am making my mama an amazing breakfast this morning. We're going to make lemon ricotta pancakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, light, fluffy, and loaded with lemon flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for Mother's Day brunch or any special occasion. These are next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, homemade orange sweet rolls. I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. So grab your flour, your lemons, your ricotta cheese, and get your griddle heating up sugar because we're about to cook some lemon ricotta pancakes magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our lemons. We need the zest of one whole lemon and the zest of a half a lemon. I'm using my box grater, or you can use a microplane using the small texture. These pancakes are very lemony. Alrighty, now we're going to juice up our lemons. We need 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Make sure you roll it to get a juicier lemon. All right, my friends, I got all my lemons nice and prepped. We have 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. That's about 1½ lemons. And I have my lemon zest on my plate. Now we're going to set this aside. Time to make the pancakes. In my medium bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I already pre-measured it. But I'm going to show y'all how to get the perfect cup. Just fluff it up. Using my butter knife, I'm going to level it off like so. And voila, perfect cup. Just like that. Into our flour, we're going to add in our levelings. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt. Going to whisk these together until they're well incorporated. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. Into our eggs, we're going to add in 1 cup of full-fat buttermilk at room temperature. Going to make them super moist. Next is our extracts, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla, which is 1/2 cupful, and 1/4 teaspoon of pure lemon. More lemon goodness. Our 2 stars of the show, the lemon zest, our freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the ricotta cheese. I'm using 1 cup of full-fat ricotta cheese at room temperature. Whisk all these together until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, now I'm going to slowly add and whisk in the flour mixture. And 1/4 cup of white sugar. Gotta make them sweet. And whisk. Be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, our pancake batter is done. Nothing like the smell of lemon. Going to let the batter rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's heat up the griddle. Alright, my friends, I got my griddle nice and hot and preheated to about medium heat, 375 degrees. And I am using my new griddle that I got for Christmas, or you can cook them in the skillet. And before we cook the pancakes, I'm going to spray my griddle with cooking spray, or you can brush it with oil. And the batter is nice and rested. We are ready to cook them. Going to use my 1/3 cup measurement and scoop the pancakes onto our griddle, like so. Alrighty, so we're going to let the pancakes cook until you see no bubbles on top, about 6 minutes. All right, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. Beautiful golden brown. So now I'm going to add some butter on top. Excellent. So now I'm going to let my pancakes finish cooking and then I'll plate them up. All right, my friends, I am through cooking my pancakes. I got 3 on my plate, and this recipe makes about 8 to 10, depending on what size pancake you make. Nothing like the smell of pancakes cooking. So now I'm going to drizzle on some maple syrup, a squirt of whipped cream, and a sprinkling of lemon zest. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, my mama's going to love these. And there you have it, my friends, lemon ricotta pancakes. Don't that look good? Alrighty, so now I'm about to serve these to my mama. Good morning, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I made you some lemon ricotta pancakes. Let me know what you think.
Okay. Delicious. Moss. And, I can taste some lemon in them. Delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoy them. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Thank you. Love you too.
My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Mother's Day.